Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am here to teach you English text. In this we will revise chapter 4 Grandma's Vegetable Garden and chapter 5 Daisy the Cow. Children, first we will revise chapter 4 Grandma's Vegetable Garden. Children, this story is about Asha, her grandma and grandma's vegetable garden. So let's start. One day grandma tells Asha to bring some vegetables from the garden. Okay, so grandma tells Asha to bring some vegetables from the garden. Asha takes a big basket, goes to garden and bring green peas and purple brinjals. Then grandma asks to bring some carrots. Then again grandma asks Asha to bring some carrots from the garden for hot soup. They will have hot carrot soup. Asha looks everywhere. So there in the garden Asha looks everywhere but could not find any carrots in the garden. Grandma says to look carefully. So Asha again goes to grandma and says that I am not able to find any carrots. Grandma then tells Asha to look carefully and tells her that there are many carrot plants in the garden. Asha goes to the garden again. This time what happened? This time her cat Fluffy also goes with her. Okay children, suddenly she sees Fluffy digging the ground. Suddenly she heard a loud sound of meow meow, and there what she sees? That Fluffy, her cat, is digging the ground, and when she goes close she sees many carrot plants in the ground. Where were the carrot plants? They were in the ground. At last Asha says happily, well done Fluffy. So Asha is very happy here and she praises Fluffy that well done Fluffy because Fluffy helps her find the carrots. Here are chapters over children. Now we will revise our book work. Okay. Children, open your book, open page number 25. Question A. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the story. So we have to complete these sentences. Number 1. Asha takes a big dash and goes out to bring vegetables. What did Asha take? Big basket. Answer is B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Number 2. Asha brings green dash and purple dash. So Asha brings green peas, P-E-A-S, peas, and purple brinjals, B-R-I-N-J-A-L-S, brinjals. Number 3, Asha cannot find any dash in the garden. What she cannot find? Answer is C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Number 4, grandma tells Asha to dash carefully. What to do carefully? To look carefully, L-O-O-K, look. Number 5, Asha sees Fluffy digging the dash. What is Fluffy digging? Fluffy is digging the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Children, now we will do next question. It is on page number 26. Question B, look at the pictures and answer these questions. So children, you have to look at pictures and answer the question. First one has been done in your notebook. Number 2, why does grandma ask Asha to bring her some carrots? So, why does grandma ask to bring some carrots? Answer is for carrot soup. Okay. F-O-R, for. Here F will be capital. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, soup, S-O-U-P, soup. Number 3, who goes out with Asha to look for carrots? Here the answer is Fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-I, Fluffy, F capital. Okay. Children, question 4 has been done in your notebook. Now open page number 29. Look at these pictures. Draw lines to match the pictures with the correct basket. Okay, children, first we will number the pictures. Okay, let's start from number 1. What is this, children? This is the picture of carrot, and carrot is a vegetable. So, we will put in number 1 basket, which is vegetables. Number 2 is watermelon. Okay. So, watermelon is a fruit. We will put in this basket. Number 3, rabbit. Rabbit is an animal. So, we will put it here. Okay. Put number 3 here. Number 4 is cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable. Number 5 is cauliflower. Cauliflower is also vegetable. So, we will put it here. Number 6 is squirrel. Squirrel is an animal. Number 7, mango. Mango is a fruit. Number 8 is cat. Cat is an animal. So, children, now we will revise our next question. It is on page number 30. Look at these pictures, then complete these sentences with the help of the words in color. Number 1, carrots and orange. Children, when word is given to you and its color is also given to you, you have to complete the sentences. So, what is this? Carrot and color is given orange. So, sentences, this is a carrot. Yes, this is a carrot. It is orange. Which color it is? It is orange. Next, number 2, brinjal and purple. This is brinjal. Yes, it is brinjal. It is purple. Number 3, cabbage and green. This is a cabbage. It is green. Chili and red. This is a chili. It is red. Number 5, potato and brown. It is a potato. See, it is brown. Tomato and red. It is a tomato and it is red in color. Now, children, we will revise our copy work. So, let's open your copy work. First, we will revise new words. S-O-U-P, soup. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. Okay, children, I hope you have gone through these new words. Okay, now we will revise, make sentences. Number 1 is basket. She has a basket full of apples. Children, here underline the word basket. Number 2, bring. Please bring me a glass of water. So, children, underline the word bring here. Okay. Now, we will revise the word meaning. Number 1 is carefully. So, meaning of word carefully is with care. Number 2, everywhere. Meaning of everywhere is all over. Okay, children. Now, we will revise, answer the questions. What does grandma tell Asha to do? So, grandma tells Asha to bring some vegetables from the garden. So, what does grandma tell? To bring some vegetables from the garden. Now, question 2. Well done, Fluffy. Why does Asha say this? Answer is, Asha says this because Fluffy helps her to find the carrots. Because Fluffy helps her to find the carrots, that's why Asha says, well done, Fluffy. Okay, children, I hope this is clear to you. Now, we will revise some new words. Let's start. So, some of the new words are, first, vegetables, vegetables. Okay. Then care, care. SOUP, soup. GROUND, ground. HELPS, helps. Okay, children, these are the new words. Learn them properly. Okay, children, here our chapter is over. Now we will revise chapter 5, Daisy the cow. Children, this story is about Jim, a boy, and Daisy, the cow, who lives at Aunt Katie's farm. Where they live? Aunt Katie's farm. Jim likes the animals on Aunt Katie's farm. So, children, Jim likes animals on Aunt Katie's farm. He loves black goat, Billy the goat, noisy hens and gentle sheep there. Okay? But there is one animal Jim is afraid of. But children, there is one animal Jim is very afraid of. Okay? Jim is afraid of. So, he says it looks like a bear with horns. Okay? With horns and big brown eyes. Okay? Aunt Katie says, that is my good cow, Daisy. Then Aunt Katie says that, no, that is not a bear. It is my good cow, Daisy. It will not harm you. Jim says, Daisy is making loud noises at me. Then Jim says, no, but it is making loud noises at me. Then Katie says, no, it is not making loud noises. Daisy is mooing because she is hungry. Okay? Daisy makes a soft moo sound when he pats her. So, then at that time, Jim walks slowly to Daisy. There, he stands beside Daisy. He started patting her and she felt very nice, and then she make a soft moo sound. Okay? Jim tells Aunt Katie, I am not afraid of Daisy now. Then Jim is very happy and he tells Aunt Katie that now I am not afraid of Daisy anymore. Okay, children? Our chapter is over here. Now we will revise our book work. So children, open page number 35. Okay? Question A, put these pictures in the correct order. Write the numbers 1 to 4 in the boxes. Children, you have to arrange this picture in correct order. We have already revised the story. So, we will start. Number 1, what is Aunt Katie doing? Aunt Katie is feeding hay to Daisy. Number 2, Daisy is mooing loudly at Jim. Number 3, you can see Jim is patting Daisy. Number 4, here you can see Jim is with Billy the goat. Okay. So, what we have learned that he loves animals. First we have read this now. So, number 1, this is number 2, when he is afraid of Daisy. Number 3, then what happened? Aunt Katie is feeding hay to Daisy. Number 4, Jim is patting Daisy. Okay, children? Now we will revise our next question. It is on page number 35. Answer these questions. Number 1 is done in your notebook. Question 2. Jim is afraid of Daisy because she dashes at him and makes a loud dash. So, why is Jim afraid? Jim is afraid because Daisy stares at him and makes a loud noise. Okay. So, answer is S-T-A-R-E-S, stares, and N-O-I-S-E, noise. Number 3 is done in your notebook. Number 4, what does Aunt Katie do when Daisy moves loudly? So, answer is Aunt Katie gives Daisy some hay, because there Aunt Katie is saying that Daisy is moving loudly because she is hungry. And what is the food for Daisy? It is hay, H-A-Y, hay. Children, next question. It is on page number 39. Match these animals with the sounds they make. So, children, these are the animal given. Number 1, cow. Number 2, tiger. Number 3 is owl. Number 4 is horse. Number 5 is bee. So, what is the sound of cow? Cow, moo. Okay. So, right here number 1, Tiger, growl. Owl, hoot. Horse, neigh. Bee, buzz. Okay. Now we will revise this question. It is on page number 40. Look at this picture of a farm. Then complete the sentences with the words given in the picture. So children, look at this picture. It is a farm. It is a picture of a farm. Okay. And some words are given to you. You have to complete these sentences with help of those words. See, here sheep is there, ducks are there, goat is there, cows are there, hens are there. So now number 1, this is my grandpa's farm. Okay. Number 2, there are 2 dash in the cow's shed. So children, here you can see cows. So who are there in the cow's shed? There are 2 cows in the cow's shed. Number 3, the brown dash jumps up and down. So who jumps? See here. The brown goat jumps up and down. You can see brown goat here. Number 4, there are 3 dash in the pond. So here look at the pond. Who all are there? There are 3 ducks in the pond. There are 3 ducks in the pond. Rita runs after a dash. So here see, Rita is running after a sheep. Answer is SHEEP, sheep. Number 6, Neil feeds the dash. So here see, what is Neil doing? Neil feeds the hens. Okay. Answer is HENS, hens. Children, now we will revise our copy work. Open your copy. First we will revise new words. Number 1, FARM, farm. Number 2, HORNS, horns. NOISY, noisy. GENTLE, gentle. HUNGRY, hungry. Children, now we will revise make sentences. Hurt. Number 1 is hurt. Tina fell and hurt her knee. Underline the word hurt. Number 2, afraid of. The thief was afraid of the policeman. Children, underline the word afraid of. Okay. Word meaning. Number 1 is stare. What is the meaning of stare? Stare means a long look. Number 2, beside. So meaning of beside is by the side of. Okay. Answer the questions. Which animals does Jim like? Answer is Jim likes the little black goat, the noisy hens and the gentle sheep. Question 2. Why does Daisy moo loudly? Answer is Daisy moves loudly because she is hungry. Okay children. Why does Daisy moo loudly? Because Daisy is hungry. So children, now our chapter is over here. Now what we will do? We will revise some new words. Okay. Let us come on the board. Number 1, gentle. Okay. Noisy. Who are noisy in the story? Noisy hens, gentle sheep and hungry. HUNGRY, hungry. Number 4, HAY, hay. Number 5, AFRAID, afraid. Children, number 1 is GENTLE, gentle. Number 2, NOISY, noisy. Number 3, HUNGRY, hungry. HAY, hay. Number 5, AFRAID, afraid. Okay children. Children, I hope you have understood this chapter well. Kindly watch the recorded video of this chapter. Thank you.